And we've got more heat and humidity on the way, sprinkling a couple chances for some showers and storms as well. Now, the big one's going to be tomorrow, Wednesday night. I'll show you that here in a second. But today, let's turn our attention to the temperatures because they are already on the warm side. The good news is we've got plenty of sunshine to go along with it. So you can hit the pools this afternoon. You can maybe head to the beach. Just make sure you've got that sunscreen on because UV index very high today. We're looking at about 9. So 82 there at Burke Lakefront Airport, not a cloud in the sky. Taking a look across the rest of the area, we're in the upper 70s in a couple pockets, mainly the low and mid 80s, especially as you head along the lakeshore. Temperatures are slightly warmer, 83 in Avon Lake, 84 in Lorain. Now looking at satellite and radar, there's really not much going on here at home. We've got this high pressure in place, which I mentioned yesterday. Once the cold front pushed through, this is what arrived, and it's been here since last night. As we get into tomorrow, you'll notice this development here to our north, kind of pushing east of Minneapolis, starting to see the clouds creep into Michigan as well. This trailing cold front is going to arrive here late tomorrow, and that'll bring us the chance for scattered rain and storms. Some of them could be on the strong side. The reason for that being, we have a lot of heat in the air. We have a lot of humidity. Our dew points today are in the mid 60s. Tomorrow, we're looking for them to be in the upper 60s. So all the ingredients are there and the conditions are there at the surface to be just right to kind of juice up these storms once we get that lift from that cold front. Here's a look at our dew points into our Wednesday. I mentioned could be pushing 70s in a lot of areas. Now tomorrow, our temperatures will be in the low 90s, especially in the west. Here's a look at that frontal boundary as it approaches. Again, best timing going to be 6 to about 10 p.m. It'll be coming from west to east. Now, I'm not expecting a long, widespread line of severe weather, but a handful of severe storms bundled into this line are possible. Taking a peek as we go into early Thursday morning, skies clear out rather quickly, and then we'll be sitting under mostly sunny skies again on Thursday. We could see an isolated shower on Friday because it'll be very hot and humid again, so it'll be those conditions where you see pop-up showers bubbling up through the middle of the afternoon, very summer-like conditions. So on a scale of 1 to 5, we are on a scale of 2 for any chance for severe storms tomorrow, and this pretty much encompasses our entire viewing area. The biggest threats here are going to be high winds. Now, as this line moves through, any of those severe storms that do decide to spark, they're going to move through really quickly because it's a fast-moving line, but that means you could also get some pretty gusty winds with it. You could see a brief downpour as well, and then hail possible. Tornadoes not ruled out, but the chance is on the lower side. Here's a look at the next 8 hours for you as you head into your Tuesday. Upper 80s for most of us. West, you could be touching 90 in a couple of places, but it's all sunshine for today. So today and tomorrow, make sure you're being mindful of the heat. If you're taking the pets out, you're going to want to do that early in the morning or later in the evening when temperatures have started to cool down a little bit. There are little paws on the blacktop could be a bit of an issue. Here is the next 8 days. Again, not just one, but 2 90-degree days possible in the next 8. Scattered rain and storms, again, reserved for second half of Wednesday, kicking off probably about the time you're heading home from work. So a good chunk of the day is going to be quiet and sunny and warm. Keeping the humidity as we head into Friday. Saturday, same story, but we stay on the drier side. We could even start to see those showers for that next system creep in on Saturday, keeping an eye on the timing for that one. But with that next frontal boundary, Sunday into Monday, we cool down slightly to the low 80s. Not a ton of relief from the heat, but a better chance for rain and storms on both Sunday and Monday. Now, if you guys have any questions about the forecast regarding your area, if you've got some plans outside and you're wondering, hey, am I good to go? Feel free to drop a comment. I'll do my best to answer for you. And you can always stay updated with Fox News online at fox8.com. You can also check it out at noon. We will be live, and I'll have your updated forecast for you then. Until then, you all take care. Bye.